right angle buckle. In this tutorial I'm just going to show you how you can quickly add multiple strokes to a shape. Now just got a custom shape here, just going over the custom shape tool. Now these shapes are from Graphicxtras, you can find them in the part of the custom shapes collection, about 13,000 odd shapes. I'm just going to use one of the designs. I'm going to use it as a shape, set with a fill and no stroke there. So first thing to do, just add the shape. This is a shape layer. I'm using CC, but it could be the same in CS6. So once I've done that, I can actually go to layer and layer styles and stroke. So I'm just going to set first stroke, and there's the first stroke added. It's just going to be a solid color there. Option, move, change the size a little bit, click OK. So now to actually add another one, so if I actually just go to layer style, obviously it's already been set, so I can't actually do that, but I can actually go to a layer and smart objects and convert to smart object. Once that's done, I can go to layer and layer style and stroke. Now this time, instead of a color, I can actually add a gradient. So obviously just so you can actually add a color and gradient as well. Again, change the size a bit. And there's a vast selection of different gradients available on the Graphicxtras website. But of course, you could use any gradients you can find on the web or ones you've created yourself. So I'm just going to select a gradient there. Set the option to shape burst. Set the size. Okay. Click OK. Now, to actually add the final one, I'm just going to go to layer and smart objects and convert to smart objects. So the whole thing has been converted to a smart object, and now I can go to layer style and stroke. And in this case, I'm actually going to go to, for the final one, pattern. So I can actually add a pattern to the design, and you can actually see it around the edges. Now obviously just increase the size a bit so you can actually see the pattern more, and obviously scale down the actual pattern itself, otherwise you obviously can't really see much of the pattern. And that's a Christmas shapes patterns design, again available on Graphicxtras, but of course could be any of the patterns available in Photoshop, and there's a whole selection of them via these options here, or of course on the web on many sites. Okay, so once you've actually done that, click OK, and that's that. Quick and easy way of adding multiple strokes to a path in Photoshop. Hope you found this of interest.